Open your foot to stand naturally. Circle your hands, palms face each other, left hand on top. From this position, lift your left hand up and rotate left palms up. Rotate your right hand facing down. Eyes look towards your top hand. Lift and press at the same time. You need to feel your left side, your rib cage is stretched. Inhale when we do this. Exhale, shoulders down, both hands loosed. Body, chest, go back to the relaxed stage. And inhale, lift and press. And feel the inside of the body that is stretching. And exhale, body is loose, shoulders loose. Inhale, lift and press. Exhale, body is loose. Inhale, lift and press. Exhale, body is loose. Inhale, lift and press. Exhale, body loose. To change to the other side, lower hands, turn palms face each other, and make a circle of both hands in front of your body. With right hands on top, turned right palms up, press left hand down. Expand, inhale. Exhale, body is loose. Inhale, lift and press. Exhale, body is loose. Inhale, lift and press. Exhale, body loose. And inhale, lift and press. Exhale, body loose. Lower the right hand and both hands loose and press down. More advanced version for this. Circle hands, left hands on top. Lift and press at the same time. Lift your heel up, only on your toes. Inhale. Exhale. Foot flat on the ground, body is loose. Inhale, lift and press, raise up on your toes. And exhale. Inhale, lift and press, up on your toes. Exhale. Inhale, lift and press, up on toes. Exhale. Hands face each other. Rotate hands. Turn palms, lift and press, lift your toes. Exhale. Inhale, lift and press. Exhale. Inhale, lift and press. Lift your toes. Exhale. Inhale, lift and press. Lift your toes. Exhale. And turn palms face each other to close.